In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Viagogo. First, go to the Viagogo website and log into your account using the email address connected to the order. Make sure you're signing into the correct account because your purchase history and support options will only appear there. Once you're in, look for the section labeled My Purchases or My Tickets. This is where you'll find the order connected to the event you're having an issue with. Next, select the ticket order you need a refund for. Take a moment to review the order details carefully so you're certain you've opened the right purchase before moving forward. This is especially helpful if you've bought more than one set of tickets or attended multiple events recently. After that, check the reason you're requesting a refund. Common reasons include tickets not being delivered on time, tickets being invalid or rejected at the venue, the event being canceled or significantly changed, or the tickets you received being different from the original listing details. It's important to choose the reason that best matches your situation, because this helps support review your case more efficiently. Once you've identified the issue, contact Viagogo customer support through the help center or the support options available inside your account. When you submit your request, be ready to provide your order number, the event details, and a clear explanation of what happened. Try to keep your message simple, specific, and factual so the problem is easy to understand. If Viagogo asks for supporting evidence, upload everything relevant. This may include screenshots of your order, ticket details, proof that the venue rejected the tickets, or emails and messages related to the issue. The more clearly your documents support your claim, the easier it may be for the review team to verify what happened. Once everything is filled out, submit your refund request and wait for Viagogo to review your case. At this stage, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your email and account notifications in case they request more information or send you an update. Responding promptly can help avoid delays. If your request is approved, the refund will usually be processed back to your original payment method based on Viagogo's refund process and timeline. Keep in mind that payment providers can sometimes take additional time to post the refund to your account, so a short waiting period is normal, and that's how to request a refund on Viagogo in 2026.